hear something crazy?
What's that?
Did you see the big guy when we got on in L.A.? Sitting in first class, curly hair, guitar case.
What about him?
He's one of the Oceanic Six. Guy's got nerves of steel, man. He survives a full-on commercial airliner crash. Now he's back flying over the same South Pacific.
Yeah, well, maybe he doesn't believe that lightning will strike twice in the same place.
You all right there, Frank?
I'm just fine.
Dude, you might want to fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, no.
What?
Autopilot off! I have the controls. Autopilot off. You have the controls. Hold on, man! What?
Stall.
We've lost power!
Stall.
Restarting 1. Restarting 2. Altimeter reading 650.
Oh, my God.
Give me more power. I can pull us out of this. You're gonna rip us apart. Do it.